Rangmala bisini bising khobjangnai Santaram kamini lama sunamjagya tongmarono thanginai MDC Buddha Debrama Shankuduma rumaine lama sunamjagya labano shankisani yaglono I bowai lama sunamai renai hnai lukurongno amchaini lukurongno kamini lukurongno kogroi kabakha tei koktuma thumnai rong biskango okongno saka MDC Buddha Debrama khnani di bini koktino botam shaikanaka koktiprani mangplewo
nung tini bo lamano visit khaibeka
Tini haine phajak sini Rongmala bisini 5 number ward 4 number ward sini takhuk Poddosongni para omo dirgodin ini 100 বছর ধরেও লামা খাইয়ে গে omo tini ang phaikano pule mono sing brick soling khaine o lama to minimum himya pana প্রায় 50-60 পরিবার দङ omo sing pule tabo omo khaine ini brick soling rai tabo onmagi ang tini bikhane phaijak saimano bigoto tini ram bam amalo ei onek boshor like আছে we have seen lots of time but then still everywhere in the Solam area I have visited and seen high various roads construction is still pending both jagao 100-200 families even 200 family 300 family living areas also still pending the road mon bagane tini still pending the road mon bagi tini ang nanya phakya ai tai sung baskango omono ai brick soling khairane